Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a dashboard on Monday.com. Dashboards are incredibly useful for visualizing your project data, tracking progress, and getting a bird's eye view of everything happening across your boards. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. To get started, you'll need to navigate to your workspace that contains the board you want to use for your dashboard. You'll find this in the left sidebar of your Monday.com interface. Click on the workspace to make sure you're in the right place before moving forward. Now let's create the dashboard itself. Look for the blue plus button below your workspace name in that same left sidebar. Click on it and you'll see a menu appear with several options. From this menu, select New Dashboard. This is the starting point for building your visual command center. Next, you'll be prompted to name your dashboard in the Name Your Dashboard field. Type something descriptive that makes sense for your project, like My First Dashboard or whatever fits your needs. Choosing a clear name helps you and your team quickly identify the dashboard later. After naming your dashboard, you'll need to set the privacy settings. You'll see two options here, Main and Private. If you select Main, your dashboard will be visible to everyone in the workspace, making it great for team-wide transparency. If you choose Private, only you can access it. Select whichever option suits your purpose, then click Create Dashboard to proceed. Once your dashboard is created, a Connect Boards window will appear. This is where you link the board that will feed data into your dashboard. You can either use the search bar to find your board quickly or scroll through the list if you prefer. When you spot your board, click the checkbox next to its name to select it. After selecting your board, click Done in the bottom right corner to confirm your choice. Give the system a moment to process this connection. Now comes the fun part, adding widgets to visualize your data. Click the plus Add Widget button, which you'll find at the top left or center of your dashboard. A selection of widget types will appear. For beginners, I recommend starting with something simple like chart or battery, though you can add as many different widgets as you need to build out your dashboard fully. Once you've added a widget, you can customize its position and size. To move it around, hover over the top left corner of the widget until you see a 6-dot button appear. Click and drag this button to reposition the widget anywhere on your dashboard. To resize the widget, look for the dot in the bottom right corner of the widget, then click and drag it to make the widget larger or smaller based on your preference. And there you have it, you've successfully created a dashboard on Monday.com, connected your board, and added your first widget. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.